The Voice of the People Party (VPP) on Wednesday held a public meeting at Motphran, Shillong as part of its statewide agitation against the state government. The meeting marked the beginning of a series of public programs aimed at mobilizing support and highlighting issues affecting the people across the state. Party leaders, including President of the VPP Arden Miller Basayomoit, while addressing the gathering, raised concerns over governance, unemployment, education, land rights and environmental protection. VPP President Arden Basayomoit was reported to have stated that the agitation was necessitated by the government's adamant attitude on several public issues, asserting that the party would continue to take its movement to the grassroots level. The party also reiterated its opposition to large-scale projects, including the proposed development at Lumpongdeng Island, stressing the need to protect land and community rights. The Motphran program is the first in a series of public meetings planned across Khasi Jayanti Hills to build momentum before intensifying the agitation. The meeting concluded with a call for public participation and unity in pressing for accountability and people-centric governance.
Giru kumu pajba ngin haban pini yala ka jong ka bo ka jing ya uni chairman jong GTF PIFIR open page ka section 144 le ayu pat yo tu bo penian yo tu driver abang kumta ngamot mga pungsan yo tu driver na malam tit ka don ayu ka je kedua tu driver ko turu tangba ka je keren ka ju haki tu ki media kamong waslutra ini bani snap don kam amde banai jeda leni bani syak ban pinjam tangbadan ka jede bat ki badan ka bor namar ngirong ikai yikin nong kesan PPP bakin long klem ako laga ktin ka thulit laga ngomong ngemde banong klem ko ngire ben ya tak akor ko buro patagan ka jikai ka bani ko kamu benau dengan langsar ke PPP ngau belah hakmat hak ngalle ka bomon pilih ka bomon nin tep lang epi seru ngiri ikai ya kai kai ke pi bande naman ni ko aban wa ya kai kai ka bha nagam ta ki longdin ki mandin ki chonga ki chongi to ki papa Dein mar kata-kata aku kipada. Voice of the People Party kekuatan pendema sisi simpat bagam dei tangga party kepala seng mensyuara election. Noi gini ke party ni ke seng kebon ora ka cingla ada cingmut ke jipat cingi pada kadi ke seng kebon yang ban pini tuli yang ikom ka chat riu kat bangiran persang ban pini tuli oh kini ki persang ban pharia ye ka chat riu kira kwa ban pharia oh hame kilek shiki snong di thau humno ki kwa namar ke rasnu with a new arten boli puta jietli keleng de kilek kin keno lai puja new arten ngira tu kumigini ki shakri ki ba hot nagam ta upatma ki doctor ki officer ki ba pon ki ba shu apen laru ngani osim piares no ban shon khanno hatoli ngin sha moi ko bakum kata bakan jang you don't come there to observe the prayer. You don't come there you get doctor keep eat shisha ke nong pang but ke nong tendong keep be keep don jisa jing shampang keep tok andai keep kum kita minta bo doktor ye keep keep kimon one bo doktor ke chaka khasi jogi keep me sutho bertin ru bau tu nong pang Lasi ayam tak, lasi patai ayam tak tu. Tu bukan dia jenis kalau sejam ke jam. Itulah jenis tu yang